CPaT's portfolio of courses is the most robust in the industry and is supported by 4 main pillars: Access, Instruct, Invent, and Assist. This video focuses on Instruct, and specifically CPaT's dynamic interactive diagrams. CPaT's unique interactive diagrams revolutionize aircraft instruction. Interactive diagrams bring system controls, schematics, and synoptics to life. For years, training organizations have had to rely on static posters or quickly sketched diagrams to teach dynamic and complicated aircraft systems. But CPaT's interactive diagrams have changed the game, enabling scenario-based learning to play out in real time. Interactive diagrams allow students to clearly visualize complex system theories and work through them by manipulating controls. When a control position is changed, the effect displays immediately in the associated synoptic pages and schematics. Using interactive diagrams, students are better able to develop light logic and the ability to read control panels. Interactive diagrams are the perfect tool for helping students understand how complex systems work under normal conditions, but they also provide an excellent way for students to understand how systems respond to non-normal conditions. CPaT offers a comprehensive library of interactive diagrams covering all major aircraft systems, including those that are typically very challenging for students, such as electrical, hydraulics, and fuel. What's more, all interactive diagrams are included in CPaT's dynamic authoring tool, Invent. Using Invent, lesson developers can integrate these diagrams into other lessons or create their own interactive diagram lessons. And CPaT makes it easy to use these real-time manipulatives in a variety of instructional settings, from classroom training to CBT to independent study. Contact us today to get started.